Welcome back to my $25,000 Funding Talent Challenge. This is my journey. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Marcelino back with another one. Today we are feeling quite happy, we're feeling quite positive. So today, what has happened? Let me run you guys through this. So this morning I got to my chart. I was on the charts actually quite early at about 5 o'clock. So I'm looking at the charts, I'm anticipating what's going to happen, and I see that there's a ton of bullishness in the market in terms of the major pairs. So Euro USD, GBP USD, and then AUD USD was also pumping quite a bit. That means that the dollar was actually kind of weak. Okay, so what happened was I end up getting to the chart, and I'm only looking at GBP USD really, and I look at GBP USD, and for some reason, so the first opportunity that I had, I missed it because of the 1 minute candle moving so quick. I didn't have an opportunity to actually enter the trade. There was no pullback, so there was no entry. For me then to go back and to look at AUD USD, and there was a perfect entry. We broke about 15-minute kind of key level, and then we had a decent pullback on the 1 minute after that 15-minute break, and we shot up. And I was just so happy at the fact that I was actually just looking at GBP USD. However, it's trading, you know what I mean? Like, there's still so much time left in the challenge, and I just told myself I'm not going to do anything stupid the way I did last week. So I said, okay, no, we didn't take any trades. More likely than not, we usually get more trades at 11 o'clock. So let's wait for this, my first trading session then passes. Let's wait for the next trading session. We wait for the next trading session, and there was quite a couple of trades lining up. I'm actually going to show you guys the trades. So what I ended up doing was I ended up going into, I think it was pound USD. You guys will be able to see. So my first trade was pound USD, looking at sells, I believe. So the 4H was looking quite strong bearish after the move down. I don't know what happened this morning, but it just moved steeply down. So after that 4H, I'm anticipating that price is more likely probably gonna go bearish again. So I wait for momentum on the 15M, and I actually missed my first entry there again due to price just moving and continuing straight down. However, I found another entry, and you guys will see my entry in the charts in a bit. So I found another entry, placed that, got to break even, took me out at break even. So it went 1-to-1 and then it took me out at break even. Thereafter, I was focusing more of my attention back onto AUD USD, just thinking it's in the 15-minute range. If it breaks up, we're probably going to go up. If it breaks down, that means the 4H is probably gonna, then the 4H time frame is going to start retracing and giving us a retracement back into a key level, so I can start looking for those sells to the downside too. However, me being me, so I see USD JPY, and I see that trade lining up, and I'm like, bruh, you don't know where the AUDs. I'm kind of having this conversation with myself, like, you don't know where the AUD USD is actually gonna break out of that range within your trading time. So just take this trade, it's a valid trade. So with the USD JPY trade, I had the 4H being in my direction, which is bearish. I was waiting for momentum to actually shift on the 15M time frame, and it shifted. And so on that shift, I'm obviously waiting for a slight pullback, and then I enter, and it's actually explained in the video. And that pitch actually went against me. Like, it went against me. Look at this, it went against me. So it took me out at 0.5%, right? Actually ended up going to my stop loss, and yeah, it went to my full stop loss, but I got out at 0.5%. And yeah, TP, that's 4% right there, which is quite, yeah, bro, it happens, you know what I mean? Like, we just have to keep our heads up. We at like slightly below -1%. I think it's 1.1% that we are like down now on the account. As I mentioned in the later video, that I am looking into how to show you guys this the funding talent, like the metrics of my account, every like once a week on a Friday. just so that I can actually hide that login detail so that nobody can see it. I'm still trying to find a way to do that. But yeah, guys, just in case I don't see you guys after that video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below whether you want to see more of my actual trades, if you want to see me entering the trades live, what do you guys want to see? Just comment down below. Peace out.
Guys, I wanted to run you guys through my trades today. We took 2 trades as per the scheduled trades, and this is what happened. So we took GBP USD at about 11:30. So you can see uh price has been pushing down. Obviously the 4H is bearish, so I'm looking for a continuation of this bearish momentum. And then what you can see on the 1 minute is we went into a bit of a consolidation. I had my sell stop here, just anticipating price to continue that bearish momentum. Okay, so let's look at how that played out. So we got a 1%, therefore moving our stop loss to break even, and then we got taken out at break even for that. The second trade on USD JPY, honestly, this was a good trade in my opinion. So you can see we had about a 1.5 pip stop loss. I could have had a 1 pip stop loss, but anyway, all we're doing is we can see, so 4H momentum is down 15M. I'm waiting for the momentum to shift, taking out these bodies right here. And as you can see, what we had right here is we had a momentum shift, taking out structure on the 1 minute. And what I simply waited for was a bit of a pullback after this candle formed, bit of a pullback, anticipating this to be the wick on the 15 minute and then continue down. So you can see we had a possible, like a very good risk to reward. And then this is how it turned out. Unfortunately, we were taken out at 0.5%, meaning now our actual equity, or yes, our balance right now is -1%, or in and about that range. Okay, so now looking at what actually happened, this is the momentum that I was actually anticipating. So you can see price took me out at half and then eventually actually went to my total stop loss. And that's why it's always just good to have that half a stop loss. However, I do think there's still gonna be a ton of downside, at least into 6.8 110.68 on USD JPY. And then yeah, in terms of, I was actually quite hacked at the fact that I did not wait for AUD USD to show itself. So obviously we're looking quite bullish on AUD USD, taking out this high, forming a new higher high. And then what you can see is we formed this, but we are now in a range. So I was actually going to wait for AUD USD, but then I saw the USD JPY shaping up and I took this. And yeah, it happens, guys. As I mentioned, I still feel very, very positive about this week. So I wanted to do something different where I actually show you guys my trades. End of the week, hopefully by then I'd know how to cover my login details and I'll be able to show you guys my equity curve on funding talent so that you guys can actually see that I'm doing this. Because yeah, like what's the point if I'm not showing you guys that? So, but these are my 2 trades for the day. It's actually the first day that I was able to take 2 trades, or that I took 2 trades, because yesterday I was able to, but I did not take 2 trades. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything that you want me to talk about specifically in regards to the funding talent journey. Okay, peace out.